Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get a free Google Cloud certification 2026. So Google Cloud Gear Get Certified program is going on and where we'll get the 100% free Google Cloud certification voucher. So in this video, I'll break down the official Google Gear Get Certification program. So a no cost guided program journey designed to help you the earn industry recognized Google Cloud's credentials. So there is a program overview is there. The Gear Get Certified initiative help you prepare the Google Cloud certification exam through a structured up to 9-week guided cohort with instructor lead training, hands-on lab, and technical mentorship, all at zero cost. So imagine opportunity for student developers, IT professional, and cloud who is looking for up to their skills and credentials. So what we'll learn in this video, so we'll go through the Google Gear Get Certified program in how it works, eligibility requirement, and how to apply for this. So benefits to joining: free training, mentorship, and certification support. So tips for success and earn your Google Cloud certification voucher. So this is the main thing. Whether you are starting your cloud journey or boosting your resume, this program would you a game changer for your career. So official program link is there, and this would watch for student, cloud beginners, then changers, developers and engineers, anyone preparing for Google Cloud certification exam. So this is the link. We'll go through the link. When you will open this link, you will get a developers.google.com and there is a program here and get certified. So prepare for the Google Cloud certification exam at no cost. Up to 9 weeks guided cohort with the instructor lead training and technical mentorship. So exclusive for the Google Cloud customer with a valid corporate email address. Just remember that. So here how to apply. So join Google Gear. You must log into the Gear member to register the Get Certified program. Joining the Gear with the no cost and grants you immediately access to program benefit and learning path and more. So confirm eligibility. You will be the employed by the Google Cloud customer to qualify. Please provide the corporate email address to verify your customer status and secure your spot. Choose your track. So select the supported certification track you want. Make your sure carefully because you can't switch track at one register close. Secure your spot. Submit your application during the 4-week registration window. If registration is closed, just select notify me is the receive update on the next edition. So what's required? We require the corporate email address, time commitment, voucher eligibility. So certification voucher are not automatic. To earn you will need to complete all requirement learning milestones. So that is a lab and skill wages within the cohort timeline. Their live attendance policy, limited capacity and enrollment, and no cost membership and program. So joining here cost nothing, and once you are accepted all the cohorts, you training is funded with the opportunity to earn a certification voucher when finished. So after you apply, so there is a rolling preview, application wages, and enrollment status will be there. So here so join our Get Certified announcement channel on the Google Developer Community Discord. So there you can join this inter community, select your channel, adjust settings, and watch the news. So supported certification. So get the guidance you need to earn an industry recognized certification. So this is the main thing we're looking for. So edition 1 is going on. So apply on the 10th Feb to 11 March. So here cohort will be the April 6 to June 12. So generative AI they are giving associated cloud engineer, professional cloud architect. And addition to there is also generative SE and professional cloud PCA, and there is one more addition is there that is the professional data engineer, so PD. And addition third is generative AI leader Gale, associate cloud engineer SE, professional cloud architect PCA. So as per your requirement, you can select the certification, which one you want to go for the certification. So go through the step-by-step process for the free Google Cloud certification 2026. And disclaimer is there all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video and go through the step-by-step process and open this URL and go through this one. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.